Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we are with
My name is Matt Chipleski. I'm the service manager with Russ Darrow Mazda.
Matt. How you doing today?
Wonderful. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing excellent. Thank you for asking. Matt has been with Russ Darrow Mazda now going on 3 years. And we have to say he has been doing an absolute bang-up job. He has been selected for this month's staff highlight. He is a motivated employee who loves his fellow employees, really gets the job done, thinks about the company, the customers, and what is best for both on an equal level. And for that, we truly appreciate him as a person, and we appreciate him as an employee, but overall, we really appreciate him as this location's service manager. So, Matt, I'm just going to ask you a couple questions here for the staff highlight. As we know, we're coming to the end of the year now. It's starting to get cold outside. The leaves starting to change color. Some of the fun seasons are starting to begin. So here we are in fall. Matt, what is one of your favorite fall activities?
Well, actually, I like to watch both my daughters play soccer, and then I also like to go hunting.
Ah, okay. So you have two daughters who play soccer. Mm-hmm. Do you know what positions they play?
My youngest one plays defense, and my oldest one plays midfield.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. Now, are you really engaged with their soccer playing?
I have to say nothing, otherwise too much comes out of my mouth.
I understand that. And you are an avid hunter.
Yes.
Now, are we talking like rifle, bow, or mixture of both?
Mixture of both.
Mixture of both, really? Which one do you like more?
I like actually bow hunting.
Me too. I'd have to agree. A little bit more sport in bow hunting.
And there's less people.
Yes. Definitely. Excellent. Let me ask you a question here. Now, you've been here going on 3 years, and as a service manager, you could probably answer this question better than most. What is the best fall activity thing you like to do around this dealership?
Well, I would say I tend to purchase lunch and get lunch for the guys, even grill out myself for the guys, just to show the appreciation and just to make sure that, hey, we appreciate them.
That's awesome. That's awesome. You buy lunch for the crew, you grill out for the crew, and quite frankly, fall is probably one of the best times to grill out. You're standing in front of a grill, you got the heat coming off, but it's not bad because you got a cool breeze at your back. Sometimes you got sun in the sky, you got the different colors out there, and you can actually eat your food outside and not worry about the bugs and whatnot harassing you. So yeah, that's actually a really good answer. That's a great answer. All right, Matt, I have one last question for you, and I'm going to let you get back to work here. What is your favorite part about fall?
Actually, I like the cooler temps. I like being able to sit outside and enjoy a fire and talk with friends and all that good stuff.
Yes, definitely. Definitely. The weather is a plus. And I'm a big campfire guy myself. Love to sit outside, cool air, nice fire going, maybe a brewski in my hand or a soda, roast some marshmallows or whatnot, hang out with family and friends, chit chat. That sounds like a blast. That is great. And you know what? This state is one of the best places to do it because we get a good amount of fall. So yeah, that's fantastic. Well, Matt, I really appreciate your time today. I appreciate your honesty with the questions that I asked you. But above that, we appreciate you for all the things that you do, and we're excited about all the things you're gonna do.
Well, thanks for having me.
Yep, my pleasure. All right, folks, once again, this is Jason and
Matt
here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Come out and see us. Come buy a car. Come get some service done. Or come by, talk to Matt while he's grilling out for his staff. You guys take care. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.